Hey everyone, this is Jamilah Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over your mindset, your ways of thinking, and what you can do to change your mindset in order to prosper in this journey. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications, more tips, more reviews, and more tutorials on this channel. So this morning I was listening to a motivational coach, Bob Proctor, and he said one thing that really stuck out with me, and that was, if you can think it, you can put it in your hand. So basically, if you can think it, you can create it. The way you think about money, the way you think about prosperity goes a long way in your thinking when it comes to making money. Yes, you may have the skills, you may have the knowledge, and you may have taken all the trainings in the world, but if you continue with that broke mindset of always working for someone, always being an employee, and there's nothing wrong with that. If you decide you want to work, and you just want to go to work. But if you want that lifestyle of freedom, you want to be on your own and be your own boss, you have to change your way of thinking, and your mindset is everything. I have been meditating and listening to motivational videos in the morning time, and it has actually helped me to change my way of thinking, because if you can think it, once it's in your mind, it's in your hand. So just think that way. If you can picture yourself, living in the house that you want, having the car that you want, even though these are materialistic things, they may be your dream. You want to send your kids off to school, or you just want to live that abundant life. You want to be able to live the life that you choose and do the things that you want to in life. Change your way of thinking. Your mindset is everything, because as long as you continue to be broke, you will stay broke. It's one thing that I've learned, and I've learned it from my wisdom teachers, my spiritual mothers, and everything, that if you continue to say, I'm broke, I'm broke, I'm broke, I'm broke, I'm broke, I don't have it, I can't afford it, guess what? You won't be able to. Whatever you put out in the atmosphere is what's going to return to you. Reaping and sowing goes a long way and has so many definitions. It's not just if somebody does bad, they get bad. It's what you do, what you put out in the atmosphere, what you put out in the universe goes a long way in your prosperity. So I just wanted to make this really quick, short video. It was on my heart to make, and I hope you found value. I hope you can understand a little bit about changing your mindset and your way of thinking, the words that come out of your mouth, how your thoughts are. You can control your thoughts. Take captive of your thoughts. Control your way of thinking. If you have a negative thought in your mind, then just stop, switch it around, shake it off, and refocus and regroup, okay? So until next time, ladies and gents, I will see you on the next video. I want you all to be awesome, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for any more notifications. Be awesome again. Have an awesome day. This is Jamilah. Bye-bye.